If you run a travel and tourism business, then I have a question for you. Are you getting enough customers and generating revenue that you are expecting? If not, then this video is for you. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Kartik, PPC specialist in SEO Discovery. So today, I'll tell you how to use Google Ads to get more customers and generate high return on investment for your business. Unlike other digital marketing efforts, Google Ads can immediately usher a stream of potential customers to your website. The best part about using a Google AdWords is that you can get a massive reach out of this. With 5.6 billion Google searches daily, you can target your specific audience and increase the chances of your conversions. On an average, Google Ads has a conversion rate of 3.17%, but the travel and hospitality industry enjoys a higher average of 3.95%. If you learn how to run Google Ads properly, you can make this percentage even higher. Want to know how? Let me tell you how we in SEO Discovery help our clients in running successful ad campaigns for their travel business. Firstly, we determine the right audience for your business, which is the foremost essential step in any paid campaign. When thinking of our target audience, we try to be as specific as we can in terms of their age, gender, parental status, interests, and more. Secondly, we identify your business goals. Different businesses have different business goals. So, before we start any campaign, we think of the goals you want to achieve, such as calls to your number, increase offline store visits, drive potential customers to your website, etc. Third, we plan your budget. We know that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to determine the ideal budget for a business. So, your Google Ads budget should match your company's marketing budget. Last but not the least, we pick the ideal keywords for your campaigns. By doing so, we enable the consumers looking for services similar to yours to find you amidst a sea of competition. So, these are some of the strategies we often use to help our clients in running their successful ad campaigns and drive a good amount of revenue to their business. If you also want the same for your business, then what are you looking for? Let's join hands today.